Behind every sturdy road and stable slope lies an invisible guardian at work. During construction, soil erosion, water accumulation, and unstable foundations are problems that are difficult to solve completely using ordinary methods. This is where non-woven geotextiles come in. Like a high-strength filter, they help separate soil layers, drain water, and reinforce the foundation. In road construction, they prevent the lower soil layers from settling, making the road surface more stable. On slopes, they control soil erosion. In drainage systems, they ensure smooth water flow without blockages. Whether it's roads, slope protection, or drainage, non-woven geotextiles play a crucial role, making projects more durable and safer. Want your projects to be more stable and durable? Non-woven geotextiles reduce maintenance costs, extend service life, and are easy to install, meeting industry standards. Used by engineers worldwide, they have become an essential material in modern construction. Visit geosynthetics.com now to add an invisible layer of protection to your projects.